If DaVinci Resolve is showing error code 59, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fix step by step. This issue is usually caused by the wrong GPU mode being selected or a driver mismatch that makes Resolve detect the wrong graphics processor. So if you're getting stuck on the edit page, having playback problems, or Resolve is refusing to run properly, this guide should help. And before we jump in, if this video saves you time, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the edit page with your clips visible on the timeline. That helps confirm you're working in the normal project interface and not missing any project-specific issue. Once you're in the app, go up to DaVinci Resolve at the top left, then click Preferences. This is where Resolve keeps all of its system hardware settings, including the GPU options that control how the software uses your graphics card. In the Preferences window, go to the System tab, then open Memory and GPU. This section is very important because it controls GPU processing, and the wrong setting here can trigger error code 59. Now look for GPU processing mode. If it is set to auto, that can sometimes cause Resolve to choose an unstable option or the wrong driver configuration, so change it manually to CUDA if using an NVIDIA graphics card, or OpenCL if that is the correct option for your system. The key is to disable auto and choose the mode that matches your hardware more reliably. After that, go to GPU selection. This part is just as important because Resolve may try to use your integrated graphics along with your dedicated GPU, and that can create conflicts. To avoid that, enable only your dedicated GPU and turn off any integrated graphics or extra devices that should not be used for editing. This tells Resolve to focus on the proper graphics card and helps prevent detection issues. Once those changes are made, click Save. DaVinci Resolve will usually need a restart for the new GPU configuration to load correctly, so close the program and reopen it. Restarting is essential because Resolve won't always apply these settings fully until it reloads with the updated hardware preferences. After the restart, go back into your project and check whether error code 59 is gone. In many cases, this simple change fixes the issue right away because the error was being caused by the wrong GPU mode selected or an unstable GPU detection problem. If Resolve opens normally now, you're good to go. If you still have trouble, double-check that your graphics driver is fully updated and that your dedicated GPU is the only one selected in preferences. But in most cases, setting the GPU mode manually and restarting Resolve will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you fix error code 59, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve help, troubleshooting tips, and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.